Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars T-Dyno Air textile and mesh jacket. Okay, the all-new T-Dyno Air jacket retails for $269.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely
redesigned.
Let's talk about sizing and fit, man.
Sizing. I am 5'11", 170 pounds, and I'm wearing a medium, and I will say this jacket is definitely more relaxed fit, but I like it. As you can see, it's casual. The style is casual, kind of retro as they were talking about.
It's definitely vintage style.
And it's going to flow a decent amount of air. So,
like way back, if we use the hot tub time machine, we go backwards to when I started this company, a lot of jackets look like this.
Yeah.
And now they don't.
Yeah.
Now they look more modern.
Yeah.
It's more retro, more vintage. This jacket, it uses a blend of high airflow, right, mesh. You'll find that here in the top of the jacket, all in the sleeves, front and back. You want to turn to the back. Back there, look at that asymmetric design too. That's really cool. Tons of airflow. It comes complete with CE level 1 armor in the shoulders, elbows, and forearms. It has pockets to accept armor in the chest and back that is sold separate. It's important to note, this jacket will only accept the standard size Alpinestars back protector inserts. There's two sizes. The standard, which they've been using for years.
And they came out with the full and the plasma now.
Correct, and extended coverage. This jacket won't take the extended coverage.
Just the standard.
Not really a big deal.
Yeah.
Tons of airflow, vintage styling. I like how these logos.
That's sweet. Yellowed kind of as well.
Stitched up. Yeah, it's vintage, baby.
Vintage stuff.
Asymmetric design too, because you just have the A star.
Sweet.
Over here.
That is old school.
That is old school. And spelled out over here. Embroidered logo here.
Hell yeah.
Like the detail in the hand warmer style storage pockets. It's pretty slick. Back of the jacket. Another star logo. Volume adjuster is done with Velcro. With textile and 2 snaps, 2 levels of adjustment in that area.
Right around the wrist for the cuff as well. 2 snaps. I am on the least tight one right now.
Yeah.
So.
It's a good looking coat. Vintage styling.
It is vintage. And if you
it's got a waterproof storage pocket on the inside, on the left side.
Yeah, so you can go swimming in it.
Man, you always got to say some awkward stuff in our videos.
Yeah, gotta make it weird.
I feel like you're reducing our professionalism.
Gotta make it weird. What is
we
it?
have a reputation for professionalism.
Is this jacket from the 90s?
This is not... Yeah, man. 90s were good.
Yeah. So maybe they're a little weird like me.
Fair enough.
Okay. But
if you want more information, stay tuned for the second part. Thank God he won't be in that part of the video. I'll take it off and take it apart, give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The all-new Alpinestars T-Dyno Air textile mesh jacket from the inside out. This jacket comes complete with Alpinestars Nucleon, moldable, flexible, comfortable level 1 CE certified armor in the elbows, forearms, as well as the shoulders. Of course, it has pockets to add on, back and chest protection, both of which are sold separate and available in the Alpinestars armor section of our website. This jacket's really cool, man. It offers this retro styling with a blend of both textile and heavyweight mesh. It wears light and airy with maximum airflow. Really love the vintage looking Alpinestars logos stitched over top of the textile. Mesh panel spans across the shoulder blades. Full textile panel here in the back. Volume adjustment is done with a D-ring textile and 2 snaps, so you have 2 levels of adjustment. It's even here like the ventilation eyelets, probably more of a styling cue than functional. The front of the jacket. Gotta love the attention to detail here, right? You got the leather zipper pulls for the hand warmer storage pockets, right? And then you have the white stitched in there with the red. Embroidered logo here on the front. Mesh panel in the arm, tons of airflow there. Vintage A-Stars logo stitched over top once again. comfort lined collar. Asymmetrical design too with the logos. Here it's just the A star up the right sleeve. You get inside the jacket, nice comfortable mesh liner. We have a waterproof storage pocket here on the left side with a zip. If you want to install the chest armor, simply open these Velcro pockets on either side, slide the inserts in. They live inside the jacket, makes them super comfortable and easy to wear. If you want to add back protection, just open that pocket. This jacket, I believe, let's look a little deeper. I believe this one's only going to accept the standard length protector. I do not see that second stage of the pocket, so be aware of that when ordering. Another storage pocket here on the right side, which is a little Velcro atop the mesh. 2 loops to attach to the belt loops on your riding pants. Unsnap those, feed them through the belt or the belt loops, re-snap, and it's just going to keep the jacket overlapping the riding pants, keep you covered and protected in that area. All in all, what do I think? It's a reasonably priced jacket. The vintage styling is really cool. I can remember many, many years ago when I first started this company, this is pretty much what the jackets looked like when they came out. It's cool to see it kind of flow back in with the modern touches. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.